So in this video, how to fix VLC corrupt files. So basically you're gonna go to turn on your computer, press view and check this mark, hidden items, and then go to C drive, go to user and go to your name. Your username on computer. For me it's I love myself. And then you're gonna go to ape data, and then you're gonna go to roaming, and you're gonna come here, okay, and you're gonna come here, right click, rename, and you're gonna type VLC RC, alright, and then save it, and then cross it and refresh it, and after that check your corrupted files, which is, for example, my corrupted files was in here, and as you can see it's working perfectly. So that's basically how you solve this problem. Yeah, if this video helped you, please do like and subscribe, because each week I'm helping you guys for more problems as well as some games. Thank you. See you guys next time. Bye bye.